Attention FreeQMS users! We have an exciting update to share with you. Previously, FreeQMS used a shared pool of record numbers across modules, customers, instances, and divisions, but now we're thrilled to announce a significant improvement. With our latest update, each module for every customer has its own unique sequential numbering system for records. This means better organization and efficiency for managing your records within FreeQMS. We understand this change may require adjustments for some legacy customers who used shared numbering in record titles. However, we believe the benefits of automatic sequential numbering far outweigh any inconvenience. Your feedback is crucial to us. This change, along with many others, was made in response to feedback from our valued customers. Again, thank you for your understanding and continued support. We look forward to hearing your thoughts as we strive to make FreeQMS even better for you. Please remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials and updates.